Education, a review of NPE 1986 Program of Action POA was done by Ram Murthy Committee. Establishment of DIETs was the result of one of the recommendation of National Policy on Education 1986, which article of Indian Constitution embodies the provision for early childhood care and education for the children below the age of 6 years, that is article 45. Which of the following is not a typical characteristic of the social development during adolescence, that is tendency of being away from parents. The pre-operational stage of development as noted by Piaget corresponds to which level of education in the Indian context, that is kindergarten and early primary level of education. Reward and punishment are considered to be regulatory devices. In the case of punishment, which aspects of individual differences are likely to play a significant role in school education for regulation of behavior, that is socio-cultural background of the students. Learning by catechesis is a term used by Tolman. In backward conditioning, which of the following temporal relationship is studied? The unconditional stimulus precedes the appearance of conditioned stimulus. According to Hall, in a learning situation, tendency to make a given response to a given stimulus depends on habit, strength, drive, and incentive motivation. Which of the following theory of personality is an example of trait theory? Airport's theory of personal disposition. A child on the very first day of his entry to the school campus starts crying like an infant out of the fear or shows over dependence proneness on the teacher. This is an example of which kind of defense mechanism, that is regression. Which of the following assessment tools of personality is a projective test, that is TAT? Which of the following personality characteristics is not subject to appraisal, that is heedfulness and loyalty? An anecdotal record is related to description of a particular episode, behavior, event in someone's case. In the Indian context, most appropriate stage for vocational guidance is senior secondary stage.